No, me I go say, Masicka, you're a hypocrite. Because...
You see that?
Yes, me I go say, Masicka hypocrite. Because I remember when them do the show at Atlanta, and him come out and do the whites, right? And everything. Everybody I say, whoa, him there at Atlanta and the place mash up everything.
Yeah.
Come back now, some vest skip.
Yeah.
Them have him claim to say him never know where Joshua go step on the stage.
But talking that go on though.
Him claim to say that, but I don't honestly believe that. Maybe for really, yes, he never know say him would have make such a blatant statement, but him, me feel like him didn't know so some disrespect regarding Cartel did have go come out on stage. That's what me believe. Alright then, no fish Sean Storm come talk them peace. In come and tell Sean Storm to sit on one side, Mad Sauce to sit on one side, and big up Cartel. And now you have to come tell me now, say all of a sudden war start and your energy just shift from Tommy Lee where actually send you the bait for go to the whole king overall. That means that you didn't want to say something to him from taller time. You didn't want the perfect opportunity for just tell you my mind. So you did a hypocrite. Because when you tell we say, alright, everything good, Mad Sus and them people they go sit down, you had a problem all along. And you may have had a problem at some fest to say, oh, the El Jogo give this man the king, I'm the right here, so him not deserving of the king, or whatever the case may be. Because where the energy shift, what the man do,